Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the SumIf and SumIfs Excel functions. This is a very simple and helpful function. You can see I have a simple spreadsheet here. I have a sales value for some products in different months and different countries, and I'd like to apply the functions in different ways. So let's start. As you see, I have those months and some products: white shirts, shirt blue, shirt yellow, and those are sold in different countries, USA and UK. And this is our sales revenue for each product. So the first thing we need to know the total sales of the month Feb only. So in this one we have one criteria, which is Feb. This is called one criteria. It will be Feb. So we are going to use the sum F. Let's see how we can apply this function. First, sum F, open the formula, and then it asks for the range. This is the range that contains our criteria. So our range will be this months. We shall select, and criteria will be this one Feb, and the sum range will be our sales revenue. Then close the brackets, and then it will give us 7,400. Let's test this. See, Feb, those are Feb, and those are sales revenues. $7,400. So it is correct. Second, we shall apply two criterias. Then when we have two or more criteria, we have to apply the sum f's function. So we write the sum f's range. It will be the sales revenue. Then criteria range number one shall be our months. Our criteria shall be Feb, and our criteria range number two shall be the products, and then our criteria will be shirt white. Then close the brackets, enter will get you the proper answer. To check, those Feb only have shirt white in this, so it is right. We shall apply the same here, but with one more criteria. So sum f's, sum range, our criteria range, criteria, then shirt yellow, then our third criteria range, our criteria, then close the brackets, then you will get the proper answer. See, this is fib. We have US here and US here, US here. We are getting the sum of shirt yellow, then it's one yellow. Yes, only those. So it is $2,000. Thank you for watching. Please let's know if you have any comments or if you need any more assistance. Thank you for watching and goodbye.